Some mothers have passed down their artistic talents, while others have simply been a pillar of strength behind their son's success. In this list, we celebrate famous mothers and their sons, highlighting not only their family ties but also their individual achievements in their respective fields. We are exploring the pictures of mother and their son's looks. Melanie Griffith is the mother of Alexander Bauer. Melanie, actress; Alexander, cinematographer. Sally Field is the mother of Sam Greisman. Sally, actress; Sam, writer/director. Cher and her son Chaz Bono. Cher, singer-actress; Chaz, writer-activist. Susan Sarandon is the mother of Miles Robbins. Susan, actress; Miles, actor, musician. Ally Sheedy is the mother of Beckett Lansbury. Ally, actress; Beckett, trans activist. Meryl Streep is the mother of Henry Wolf. Meryl, actress; Henry, musician. Pamela Anderson is the mother of Brandon Thomas Lee. Pamela, actress, model. Brandon, actor, model. Angelina Jolie is the mother of Knox Jolie Pitt. Angelina, actress; Knox, celebrity kid. Goldie Hawn is the mother of Wyatt Russell. Goldie, actress; Wyatt, actor. Ally McGraw is the mother of Josh Evans. Ally, actress; Josh, director, actor. Tilda Swinton is the mother of Xavier Swinton Byrne. Tilda, actress; Xavier, actor. Faye Dunaway is the mother of Liam Dunaway O'Neill. Faye, actress; Liam, unknown profession. Debbie Allen is the mother of Norman Nixon Jr. Debbie, actress; Chaj, dancer; Norman, basketball player. Emily Mortimer is the mother of Sam Nivola. Emily, actress; Sam, actor. Meg Ryan is the mother of Jack Quaid. Meg, actress; Jack, actor. Andy McDowell is the mother of Justin Qualley. Andy, actress; Justin, real estate. Kathleen Quinlan is the mother of Tyler Abbott. Kathleen, actress; Tyler, unknown profession. Sarah Jessica Parker is the mother of James Wilkie Broderick. Sarah, actress; James, a student. The late Maggie Smith is the mother of Toby Stevens. Maggie, actress; Toby, actor. Reese Witherspoon is the mother of Deacon Reese Philippe. Reese, actress; Deacon, musician. Catherine Zeta-Jones is the mother of Dylan Michael Douglas. Catherine, actress; Dylan, student actor. Joan Collins is the mother of Alexander Newley. Joan, actress; Alexander, painter. Jane Fonda is the mother of Troy Garrity. Jane, actress, activist; Troy, actor. Kate Hudson is the mother of Ryder Robinson. Kate, actress; Ryder, musician. Mia Farrow and her son Ronan Farrow. Mia, actress; Ronan, journalist. Barbara Streisand and her son Jason Gould. Barbara, singer, actress; Jason, singer, actor. Gwyneth Paltrow is the mother of Moses Martin. Gwyneth, actress; Moses, celebrity kid. Amber Valletta is the mother of Auden McCall. Amber, model, actress; Auden, student. Lisa Kudrow is the mother of Julian Murray Stern. Lisa, actress, Julian student. Priscilla Presley is the mother of Navarone Garibaldi. Priscilla, actress, Navarone, musician. Anne Heche is the mother of Homer LaFoon. Anne, actress, Homer, real estate. Stella Stevens is the mother of Andrew Stevens. Stella, actress, Andrew, producer. Rita Wilson is the mother of Chet Hanks. Rita, actress, Chachi Shum, singer. Chet, actor, Cha-Cha rapper. Deborah Winger and her son, Noah Hutton. Deborah, actress, Noah, filmmaker. Sophia Loren is the mother of Eduardo Ponti. Sophia, actress, Eduardo, director. Jennifer Garner is the mother of Finn Affleck. Jennifer, actress, Finn, celebrity kid. Karen Allen is the mother of Nicholas Brown. Karen, actress, Nicholas, writer. Phoebe Cates is the mother of Owen Klein. Phoebe, actress, Owen, actor, filmmaker. Nicole Kidman and her son Connor Cruz. Nicole, actress, Connor, DJ. Uma Thurman is the mother of Levon Roan Thurman Hawke. Uma, actress, Levon, actor. Patricia Arquette is the mother of Enzo Rossi. Patricia, actress, Enzo, musician. Robin Wright is the mother of Hopper Penn. Robin, actress, Hopper, actor, model.